Hello, this is HYCHIKA 1200-watt angle grinder. How to install the grinder wheel? We need to install the inner pressure plate first. Please pay attention to distinguishing the front and back and align the card slots. Then, put on the grinder wheel. And install another pressure plate. Hold the spindle lock and tighten it with a wrench. Now, it is okay. How to install the cutting disc? Samely, align the card slots with the machine. Put on the cutting disc and install another pressure plate. Hold the spindle lock and tighten it with a wrench. Now, let's see how it works.